And in this video I'm going to show you how to trade volatility 75, how to scalp volatility 75 with 5 minutes time frame. Okay, now scalping volatility 75, you should also know that volatility 75 is highly volatile, and you can do this using just few indicators. Okay, using few indicators, then combination of the higher time frame, that is doing your top bottom analysis, understanding where the market is trending to. It will help you to be more accurate. Okay, but whichever way you want to do it, you just want to add indicators and start trading, or you want to check the higher time frame also, you are still going to be in profit. All right, so this particular trade I just entered, I did not check the higher time frame. I only entered this trade with these indicators. Okay, now, but if you want to be more accurate, you can check the higher time frame to see the overview of the trend and know where you are targeting, or what you are targeting. All right, as you can see, going to daily time frame, you can see that we have been on a kind of a downtrend for some time, and we are having a pullback. Okay, we are having a pullback. If I should zoom in, you can see that the price have been pushing down for a while. Okay, from here you can see that this is the price pushing down. Currently we're on a pullback, and here I'm entering a sell. Okay, now I just traded with just indicators right here, but I'm encouraging you, if you want to be more accurate, you always do your top bottom analysis. But this one is for those who are a kind of beginners trading the forex market, or trading indices without, if you don't have any knowledge on top bottom analysis, I advise you watch other videos I post. My previous videos, I've broken this thing down in this channel. I've done like 2 or 3 videos on how to do your top bottom analysis. Okay, you can check out those videos and also learn how to do that. But even though if you don't know how to do this top bottom analysis, this indicator will help you do that. These indicators will help you do that. You don't have to do the work yourself. Okay, you can see I sold, and we are still currently at the price, my entry point, but we are going to be in massive profit, guys. It's a promise. Using this indicator is a promise. Now I will go straight to the point to show you the setups and how to enter. Okay, now all we need to do is to see our indicators converge at overbought region for us to sell, and oversold region for us to buy. Already oversold region is between this level 20 and 10. Okay, that's our oversold region between these two levels here. Overbought region is between these two levels here. So once we see our lines between this at this point, okay, or we see our lines at this point, we are expected to take an action, either buy or sell, depending on where the line is. If it is at overbought region, we are buying. We are selling. Here. If the line is at oversold region, we are buying. Here. All right. So once you see them, what do you need to do again? You need to see a cross. If you look at this place, you will see we have, as you can see there, we have black lines down there. Okay, at this point you can see our black lines, and you can see our will I say brown at that point mixed with yellow. there is 2 lines there. Okay, so these 2 lines are the black lines you are seeing there are the moving averages. Okay, so let me show you the setup. Remember, what you need to do is to make sure that you zoomed out completely. You can see I zoomed out completely. This is the first zoom, second zoom, third zoom, and final zoom level. Okay, but here I zoomed out completely. Okay, but for me to show you these indicators, let me zoom in so that you can see. We have our 3 black lines, we have a brown line and the yellow down there. So I think I'm not good in color. So now after this these two, what we are looking out for is when they converge at oversold region or overbought region. Then we wait for these 2 lines here down here to cross our red line downward. If we are to overbought region, these 2 lines should cross our black lines. They should cross our black lines at overbought region, or cross our black lines at oversold region. So currently they crossed. You can see what happened there. They crossed our line. They crossed it at overbought region, which is a selling signal. So after the cross, we enter our sell. Okay, as simple as that. But you have to see it when you zoom. You have to see the cross or crossing when you zoom out completely. You don't have to zoom in this way. I'm zooming in just to explain this. Okay, but the condition for this trade, you have to zoom out completely. Okay, so the setup for this indicator is we have the first in here, stochastic, have the K period 5, D period 3, slow in 3. We have price, field, low, high, method simple. You can see these 2 is not important, but you have to change the colors to your background color. I'm using white background, and that's why I'm changing the 2 to white. Then come to level. We have level, then we have level 90, 20, and 80. So here, between here, we are selling. Okay, we are selling here and we are buying here. We are buying here, sorry. Okay, all right. So the next indicator we have here is our moving average 50, period 50. We have shift 0, method simple, apply to close. You can see the setup. Where I'm taking my time is that most time you people keep asking me what is the setup for the indicator. Hope you guys can see this. Now after that, we click on done. So the next is our Ishimoku. We have the Shinkansen 1. The next one 2. We have 52. Then this fill, you leave it, don't click on fill. Okay, just leave it this way. Then the Shinkansen, we have 4 pixels yellow. The next one is 4 pixels also. You change the color to any color of your choice, and after that you click on done. So our next indicator is moving average 21, period 21, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. So you can see this 2 pixels. All right, so you change the color to any color of your choice. Okay, I am using black for the moving averages. Done. And we go again. Our other moving average is moving average period 9, then shift 0, method simple, apply to close, style 2 pixels. You still change the color to black. I just want to keep it simple, and done. So these are what we need. And after this, the next thing we are looking out for is a cross. You remember when I started this video, I just entered the trade and the price was here, somewhere here when I started this video. Okay, but you can see now we are in profits already. We are in profit and we are still going to be taking this profit down. We are still going to be taking this profit down, guys. So remember to zoom out completely, then wait for a cross above. Okay, wait for a cross above. Once the two Ishimoku lines crosses the moving averages, the three moving averages. Once it crosses the three moving averages, we enter at overbought region, we enter our sell. Okay, the reverse is the case. When it crosses at oversold region, we enter our buy using 5 minutes time frame. I told you to be more accurate, a kind of advanced level, you need to check the higher time frame to see where the overview of the trade, the trend, where the market is trending to help you become more accurate while trading this strategy. But for beginners, you can still have this moving average I added. It will help you to do that, to enter the right time. Okay, so you don't need to bother yourself checking the higher time frame if you're a beginner, but I advise you watch my previous videos on how to analyze the using this the top bottom analysis, that is checking the higher time frame, and also considering your entry point at your entry time frame. Okay, now this is it, guys. If you love this video, if you love what I do here, please consider subscribing to my channel. KSFS Trader. I drop videos on trading strategies, and also I also drop trading guides here. So if you are new, consider subscribing, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I release a new video. Remember, I only have one group on Telegram, which is the KingsFS family. So, and I always embed the link on my videos. So don't go to Telegram and start searching for KingsFX to avoid getting scammed. A lot of people have created fake accounts and on Telegram, scamming people using my name and even my picture. So you should be careful with any. I keep repeating this thing on my video. Don't be a victim of scammers. So I cannot ask you to pay me money for account management or invest so amount and get so amount. I can't. KSFS can never and will never tell you that. Okay, so you should be careful when you see anybody saying that to you with my name. Just know that that's not me. And remember, I have only one Telegram group, that is the KingsFX family, not KingsFX. KingsFX family. Take note of this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.